Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. This is Shillong and I'm here at Flying Kra Point. And let's see how much time do we take from Flying Kra till Maulai or till Jarikana during peak hours, during peak school hours. Lipay Karno Kata Udi. That's a I don't know what the rider, scooty rider. Okay. Now let's see how much time do we take. Kanu po consume ng Nisha Tay Long School. Usually there's a lot of traffic right now. So if you have to come to Shillong, or maybe if you're in Shillong, you can check out the traffic during this time. This is around 9. It's 8:45, and if there's anything at all that you want to decide or help you decide, he is yelling at somebody. Somebody is very angry early in the morning. So if you have to decide to come this side or go by this road from Flying Kra to Jarikana, I'll show you how is it. That will be easier for you to decide every day how to commute. Okay? Chalo. I'm running out of content, yaar. That's why I have to do this. Okay. Time and again I'll be doing English content mo, but it's too lang berohat. Chalo. Kitna time lagega? Bitaw. I might even run out of battery somewhere in between, or somewhere till about Anjali or so. But wherever I can get the video to, that will give you a fair idea about how much time do we take to get there. So कितना टाइम लगेगा kini benut bah kini building tama Krishna kan ko dito bakan nang internet susu si bani itu berin chaliye traffic everywhere. Simla adami sinuri. Where this guy trying to go? Where this guy trying to go? Oh, good. Right? So 8 to 9 is a peak hour for schools here, and right now it's peak, if I should say, because this is when you have all of the school dropping vehicles and parents and two-wheelers and four-wheelers and all of that. You see parking on almost both sides of the road. Okay, so this is a bit free now. If you come around 8 or 8:30 or so, this place would be packed. This is Shillong, baby, Shillong. It was raining this morning. It was raining cats and dogs. But this is what Shillong weather is about. Very unpredictable. You have rain in a minute and then sunshine in another. Oh my goodness, see? That's like a big traffic jam out there, yaar. How about I don't edit this video? Just from the very beginning of the video till the very end. I'll not edit, I'll just keep it as it is. With all the bloopers, with everything that I can find on the way. More. Yang day baba. Kering mati sudah cepat ayo. Kita sudah Shillong tour plana. Oh, sedikit kali turis dia. Dalam kai sino?
Ha?
Dalam kai sino?
Na doki.
Dauki. Lah khoi, dang khoi ko manda nam na.
Sao?
Không ta?
Ba betul dah lah. Itu sampai apa
Dah, ni sok. Those guys are going to Dauki. He said that the water is not as clear as you should be expecting during winter. The crystal clear waters. Nevertheless, if guests comes this way or visit Shillong, they would always make an itinerary to go to Dauki. So if the water is clear or not, Dauki is a must visit destination for everyone, so he's taking them there. Anyway, Shillong में बड़े ट्रैफिक मिलेगा और क्या मिलेगा? सिग्नल भी मिलेगा. चलो, नेहू मिलेगा. अरे बड़ा नेहू मिलेगा. और क्या मिलेगा? सब कुछ मिलेगा. ये और वो और ये और वो सब भी तो मिलेगा. अरे बस नेहू buses. So many buses in the nehu. Stay in your lane, brother. Stay in your lane, brother. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Stay in your lane. You like Mizoram. Don't, no. Brother is in a hurry. Oh, another brother is in a hurry. Everybody is in a hurry. Cannot stay in the lane. Oh, another vehicle is going towards the other direction. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh, brother is standing in the zebra crossing. Oh, okay. Can't help it anymore. Oh my goodness, there's so much traffic. Look at this. There's so much traffic. Okay, stay in your lane. Okay, this looks like Mizoram. When you stay in one lane, when all the got hit. Lah Bhoni, ni siap. Itulah Syahid Bhoni. Klam. Thames, Meghalaya. So these are school buses. If you're new to Shillong, these yellow buses are school buses from the government. They are meant to replace private vehicles and also commercial vehicles to ease the commuters, especially school-going kids and parents also, and have more like a pool kind of a bus where they'll come and pick you up from every locality, and they're not I think they're not meant only for one school, if I'm not mistaken. They're meant to drop to almost every school here, bus accessible school, and parents do not have to worry regarding pick up and dropping for the kids. Here we have these are Nehu buses. Nehu buses also have a running time for a schedule between 8:15 to about 9 or 9:15 or so. I used to commute with this bus back in the day, Northeastern Health University. This is the Barik point, the Barik junction. This is where you'll have most of the vehicles converging into one place, trying to go to Guwahati, trying to go to Upper Shillong, or going to towards Nailat, and other places. What do we have? Somebody is going there, somebody is going there. So if you're going towards Kandailat, you're going right. If you're going towards Guwahati, you're going left. So I'm going towards Guwahati, baby. I'm taking the left. And it's free? No, not a free. I thought it's a free. No, now I have to go to right again. Sorry. All right. Go. Chalo. I don't think we'll be there on time, and I'll be running out of memory, I'll be running out of battery in no time. So guys, sorry. It's done. Oh bro, it's looking like a hero. Oh, nice. Okay, and it's already 9 right now, and I think the video will be ending soon. So share and subscribe, guys. This is just the beginning of the why am I coming to this trailer? Let's go to let's stick to Belkana. I mean, I can go to TV also, but anyway, this is what I meant to do, what I'm supposed to show. Tell you. This is Shillong traffic chaos. My goodness. There are so many things to see in the morning here. You know what? There are a lot of things, from traffic to people rushing to all the dramas that you can see and all the stories that you can find. See, so sad. This lady is waiting for someone. Can you go? No, not yet. Oh, so damn up. Can you go? Nah, not really. Okay, at least the discipline enough to stay in one lane. So, kemudian hiperlock yung signal dito sa video. Saya! So, 9 in the morning. 9 in the morning. 9 in the morning. 9 in the morning. Hurry, run bro, run. Okay, it's done. Totally done. The video is over. So it'll take you around roughly 20 minutes from Lion Khao Point to Garikana in the morning like this. That too on a two-wheeler. If you're on a car, it is very difficult for you to get there on time, especially when you are in a hurry. Ah, lucky. Yeah. Okay. Where is that trying to go? Alright, please. You can go. Baik ke din baba dia. Sir, salute. Okay, so it'll take you around not 20, I think half an hour. Start. Yeah. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe. This is Shillong Diaries. Hey! Alright, we have reached Garikana and it took us almost half an hour to